The Santa Elena project is a high-grade open-pit heap leach operation that's located in Sonora, Mexico. We're currently producing at about 3,000 tons per day. On a monthly basis, 3,000 ounces of gold and 50,000 ounces of silver. The Santa Elena project was acquired in 2005 from a local concession owner through a 100% purchase agreement. In 2006, we made our discovery at Santa Elena. Between 2007 and 2009, we did our feasibility studies and financing. 2010 was construction with a little bit of production, and then 2011 commercial production, and now we're in 2012 with significant production and advancing into a double in production with our expansion plan. The capital expenditure for Santa Elena was approximately $20 million. We came in on time and under budget for that project, which we are very proud of, and that's part of our aggressive approach to the market. The general site plan for Santa Elena is to start at the open pit. We mine currently between 2,500 to 3,000 tons per day. That moves to the crusher. At the crusher, it's three-stage. We crush to -3/8 inch, 100%. From the crusher, we load into the trucks by conveyor out to our leach pad. The leach pad is stacked and solution is put onto that. Solution flows through the leach pad and into the Merrill-Crowe plant, where we collect the gold and silver into doré bars. An example of how SilverCrest increases its profit is by the current installation of an overland conveyor system at Santa Elena, which replaces the truck haul at a significant savings per ton and per ounce to the project. Since construction, gold and silver production has increased year by year. In 2010, we started with about 2,000 ounces of gold and 50,000 ounces of silver. It was a partial year and we weren't in commercial production yet. In 2011, we declared commercial production and we produced 25,000 ounces of gold and 350,000 ounces of silver. And in 2012, where we are currently, market guidance is for 33,000 ounces of gold and 535,000 ounces of silver. So you can see there's a very aggressive growth pattern for SilverCrest, and there's also the opportunity for the expansion plan in 2014 and a double in production. It was always our intention to take Santa Elena from an open pit heap leach into a mill scenario where we'd achieve higher grade recoveries. To do that, we have to take advantage of higher grade materials that we're seeing at depth. We currently have reserves in the pit of approximately 2 million tons that contain around 100,000 ounces of gold and about 4 million ounces of silver. In our underground resource, which we are converting to a reserve under a PFS right now, we have 150,000 ounces of gold and 9 million ounces of silver. And also we're going to retreat the spent ore on the leach pad, which has about 80,000 ounces of gold and 7 million ounces of silver. And we've broken ground for that mill. The schedule is to be in commercial production by January 2014. SilverCrest's success is based on its employees and our relationship with the local communities and the environment. We have highly qualified and motivated people. We have a policy in place that we hire locally, over 70%. We've spent a lot of time and money to train people and to establish this excellent team that we have at Santa Elena. SilverCrest's success is built on being aggressive and systematic in achieving our target. Now we're moving the company into growth. Doubling resources is our target, and doubling production by 2014 through boots on the ground, highly motivated and skilled employees at our mine sites and on our exploration projects, and responsibly financing those projects into profitability, which equates to building wealth, which we will pass on to our shareholders and potential shareholders.